Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, XIAOMI Redmi A1 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover, how to restore your deleted photos and videos from trash bin. Okay, firstly you need to open your Go gallery, and here I will remove several videos and photos, so I will remove it to show you how to recover it. So, and now if you want to recover deleted photos and videos into open folders, then click trash, and here you will see all your deleted files. But you need to know that all files you have moved to trash bin will removed from this folder, temporarily removed from your device after 30 days. So you have only 30 days to restore it. After this time you can't restore any image and photos from your device. So if you want to restore these photos and videos, just choose it and click restore. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.